Hey, what's up? Smith here. This is Honor X30, the newest phone from Honor. And this is a prototype, as you can see here, not for sale. Yeah, it's like $250 or something. Just really budget friendly, and it's a 5G phone. So I've been with it for some days, and there are some parts I really like it. So what's new? Let's get started. Yeah, it's a prototype, so don't mind if you see the bulk is a bit amazing. So that's the phone. That's the phone. Let's just peel the thing off. Not for sale. Please don't ask me like, hey, can you sell this phone to me? No, it's not for sale. I really like this finish. You see, this looks really premium. Yeah, but let's just put aside and check what else. So it's a pen and also a silicone case. Very soft one. A good one. Ooh. Almost as nice as my ex-girlfriend's breast. Okay, there should be some paperwork, but you know, it's a prototype and they don't have. Guys, just check this out. Just check out. This is the 66 watts supercharged. That's crazy. And of course, we have the Type-C cable. Now let's just put this aside. Check more about the phone, shall we? Ooh. But what I really like is the back. Ooh, you see this finish. When you adjust the angle, you will see different colors on it. And this is the camera module. Wow, it looks premium, basically like the Honor Magic 3 or Huawei phones. Looks premium and elegant. And it's lightweight, really lightweight. Let's check out the design first. On top we have, I guess this is the mic. No, it's nothing. It seems it's just decoration. I don't know why I have this on top. If you know, just let me know. This noise cancelling mic. Also we have the power key, volume rocker here, and the power key is also the fingerprint scanner. Move to the bottom, we have the Type-C and the speaker. And about the SIM card, so it's dual SIM card, dual standby, and we can see this little red rubber here. So you should have some sort of waterproof standard or something, but they didn't say in the specs. All right, that's it. Now let's light up the screen. Ooh. The first thing I immediately like is the super narrow bezels. Just check it out. Alright, a little bit more about the screen. It's a 6.8-inch IPS LCD screen at 1080p by 2388p, and surprisingly, the refresh rate is 120 Hz. And also, we can see the front selfie camera is 16 megapixels. It has 66 watt charging capability, and the battery is 4800 mAh. And you should be able to charge from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. And about the rear camera, it's 48 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel macro cam and a 2 megapixel depth hyper. Alright, conclusion. So about this phone, what I really like is the premium design. Come on guys, it's just $250, and with this kind of premium design, and the back is also fingerprint resistant. Oh, I really like it. Second is of course the 66 watt fast charging. Have you ever seen the phones in this price got this fast charge? No, right? This is like the first one, and also its performance. It's debut Snapdragon 695, and if you're wondering the enter the benchmark, here's it. And maybe one thing, maybe just one thing I don't like is the camera. The camera is, yeah, I would say it's okay for this price range, but definitely not that like surprising good, but it's usable. But again, it's a $250 phone. What do you expect from it, right? So that's the unboxing of Honor X30. And if you want to know more about it, please leave a comment below and I will try to, do it for you. Miss Amy, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Okay.